that's bright.
We're gonna try and make a vlog.
That's my goal in life. It's a beautiful day. It was snowing
10 minutes ago.
We're gonna fly some drones.
What should we name this guy? I don't know, he looks kind of like a Max.
Yeah, I like that.
Max.
Okay, let go to about here. Okay. And it's gonna come buzzing in and land right by you. So this is what happens in the bedroom with bed 2. It's a quick up and then it comes straight down.
I'm just gonna go above you. Okay?
Yeah.
Stay there. I'm flying a drone. It's a good thing these are super stable because I can just hover and just kind of reference where it is. Keep it across. I'm going to try and come in a little closer.
Are you getting the snow in my face?
Yeah.
Whew. So we just finished filming a little bit of drone footage. Haven't flown it in a little while. The weather has been all 4 seasons, currently snowing. My hands are cold now, so I'm keeping them tucked in. I didn't bring glovies. Oh snap.
How about Adrian Keenan's versus something from you?
Can't see.
Hey guys, Hunter here from Vision All Access. I was out here in Kelowna, Mission Creek Park, flying a drone for my first time, DJI Mavic Mini. If you want to see my video, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, Vision All Access. Catch you on there.
Okay, so I'm here with our friends Jody and Maggie, and just a little drone flying. And how did you enjoy that?
Good until we started getting a lot of snow and wind, and then it got a little sketchy, but it was a lot of fun.
Little wind.
Yeah, a little windy.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
Sorry. Sorry. His voice just changes.
Well, we are just out here, and we are.
Put on his interview voice. I have an interview voice too. Just talk normally.
I was talking. This video is brought to you by Apple, shot entirely on an iPhone.
There you go.
The camera we're
To correct that, that's his video on Access Video. Alright, well this is Ben and Jen, and we're just out with friends. So it's been just over a year now since Dead Bats Part 1. And unfortunately I didn't even try to make plans with you, Nathan, with Half Time Media. So it's equally as cold, probably colder. It's snowing and windy. We're kind of close to where we flew last time, so this is the official invitation for Dead Bats 2. We need to vlog it up and try and find an epic place to fly. So Nathan, if you're listening, I'm sorry I flew without you, but I'm ready now. Let's do it.